Can you negotiate a gap insurance payoff? Have you ever wondered if you can negotiate a gap insurance payoff? This is a common question for many car owners, especially if they find themselves in a tough situation after a total loss. Let's break it down so you can understand your options. First, gap insurance is designed to cover the difference between your auto insurance payout and the remaining balance on your auto loan or lease. This means if your vehicle is totaled or stolen, gap insurance can help pay off what you still owe. However, negotiating this payoff can be a bit more complex than simply asking for a higher amount. The first step in negotiation is understanding how the payoff calculation works. The gap insurance payout is based on the actual cash value of your vehicle, which is determined by your insurance company. If you think their valuation is too low, you can challenge it. Gather evidence like recent sales of similar vehicles, maintenance records, or proof of any upgrades that might raise your car's value. A higher valuation can reduce the gap amount, which means less money needed from gap insurance. Next, you can negotiate the vehicle valuation directly with your insurance company. Request a copy of their valuation report. This will give you a starting point to present your own research or an independent appraisal. Remember, the gap insurance payout only kicks in after the primary insurer settles the actual cash value portion. Another important aspect is dealing with your lender or leasing company. The payoff amount must satisfy them too. Sometimes, lenders are open to negotiating the payoff balance, especially if there are extra fees included in your loan or lease. You might even be able to negotiate to reduce late fees or other charges that could inflate the payoff amount. It's also essential to understand the terms of your gap insurance policy. Some policies have specific coverage limits or exclusions. For instance, they might not cover certain charges like finance fees or excess mileage penalties. Knowing your policy details can help you during negotiations, as the insurer will only pay what the policy allows. Timing is key in this process. Gap insurance claims can take several weeks to process. The insurer needs to confirm the actual cash value and verify the loan or lease details. Providing all necessary documentation promptly can help avoid delays that could complicate negotiations. If you find that negotiations are stalling or you feel the offer is unfair, consider seeking professional help. An attorney who specializes in auto insurance claims can be a great resource. They can assist in disputing low valuations and negotiating with lenders to ensure your claim is handled properly. In summary, while you cannot directly negotiate the gap insurance payout itself, you can influence the underlying vehicle valuation and loan balance. Understanding your policy, gathering supporting evidence, and communicating clearly with both your insurer and lender are key steps to potentially increasing your gap insurance payoff.